Okay, awesome stuff. Welcome to our live trading session. This is the 22nd of March. Let's look at what's going on in the markets today. This is the 22nd of March, 2022. And welcome back if you just joined. Okay, cool. So what are we looking at today? Fundamental news. We are looking at the upcoming news events today, especially the IPP month on month and the RMPI year on year and month on month later this afternoon. Also, the IPPI year on year later this afternoon. This is coming from Canada. These are low impact and also medium impact news. Do you have high impact news? Yes, this is the president of the European Central Bank. She will be speaking around that. She will be speaking at 3:15 South African time. Then we can look at other events which are scheduled for today. I believe in any of these sessions or any of these events, most of them are speeches and all of those things. So what we can look at is price action today, right? Cool. We are going to see probably more volatility in terms of the news tomorrow, since tomorrow is Wednesday, right? Cool. So let's go quickly into the market and look at what's going on there. There is a couple of things that I really want to look at, and I want to start off with Euro USD, right? Is something okay, not Euro USD, NZD USD, since is one of the trade NZD USD. So I was hoping for something on NZD USD this afternoon, but I'm seeing NZD USD breaking some highs that I wasn't expecting it to break before touching some level. Now let me just explain a few things. This is NZD USD on a 1 hour time frame, right? Now everything looks smooth and perfect, right? But there is a little bit of idea to say, you know what, or imbalance around this area. I'd say that the market might have or should have probably come down to this area, which is an area of support, even using Fibonacci. In this case, this is 38.2 right here, right? So we're just going to be on the right side of things in terms of taking a trade here. But also looking at this area, which is the 61.8, market has had that ability or that opportunity. So it can go all the way down to this area. And I was thinking, you know what, probably the market is going to push all the way down to this area, but none of that happened, as the market is just cleared to this level, pushing all these areas or sellers who were here or others who were here. So I believe there is a lot of opportunity to the top side already, not markets going down. So this is why I presented this on a daily time frame, so that you can see that we have a little bit of a high this side. I'm not too sure who's calling this side, so I'm not gonna take it. So this is a high, this is a high, and then this is was the expected retracement. Okay, cool. Done with that. Let's look at some other opportunities. The market has not come to our level, but we continue to look for more opportunities. EUR GBP, right? EUR GBP, one of the trades that we are looking at today. I was hoping also that the market is going to push to this area right here, since there is a little bit of imbalance here, but the market has pushed further down here. Although the market is pushing further down, we talked about this trade a while ago. I think it was 2 weeks ago, if not 2 weeks ago, if not 3 weeks ago. We were looking at this area as sorry. So how did we discuss this? We looked at this area and discussed that this market is in a bearish market. So what we're looking for is lower lows and lower highs, and then market continues. And then we looked at that, and then market reaches this area and then continues just downside. So it's a little bit late for now to take a sell trade. What we can do is just wait on this market over here. I'm not happy with seeing this happening, but what can we do? What can we say? It's just watching and seeing if we can grab and have another opportunity in the next coming candles or anything like that, right? Cool. We do have other things as well. Let's look at GBP USD this afternoon. So GBP is one of the trades that we have benefited from quite a lot, especially in the last couple of weeks and days. And we've been closing trades on this beautiful setup right here. It's a different issue with GBP. It's not like Euro USD, not like Euro GBP. A different issue. Market has just went all the way up also here, to these same highs, and I think the market is about to clear those same those equal highs. So let's see if we can have another sell opportunity on this market over here. I think before going to this most important level here, which I spoke about in the last couple of sessions or last couple of weeks, I think we need to go to a daily time frame first. I believe there is a very important area here on this market. So we mark it, right? So we mark this area, this, right? So this is my expectation here. I'm expecting markets to push further to these areas and then reach this area and then probably change direction from here, right? So what are you gonna do? I'm going to mark this area. Gonna make this area. This is a possible sell entry. So we are going to be looking to go short here, this area. Probably take profit down here, and then limit the risk here and have a little bit much better stop loss here. Let's see how many pips is our stop loss. Our entry at 33134. I believe our stop loss is around 30 pips. Is around 30 pips, and then our take profit is around 200 pips. So cool. So this is my outlook. I'm going to send out this as possible entry, and obviously markets can push all the way up to this area, right? Let me just delete this guy. Can this is the area that I've been looking at for a number of weeks or days. This area over here, this is another important area, right? So let's mark some few things so that you would probably understand when I start doing this exercise or chart. So this is our first outlook, right? And then this is our second outlook. Second outlook. So this outlook here is good. This one is better. This one is good because it's what we're looking at now. This one is better because it's got a beautiful kind of a take profit level. What we're looking at in terms of take profit here is very much big. So when we get to that area, what we can be looking at is probably taking a short position like this, taking our profit down here, and then obviously the stop loss, haven't determined the stop loss yet, but the stop loss could be as low as possible, you know. Yeah, this should be one of the things that we're looking at. These are two beautiful trades, possible trades on Euro GBP. I think what we should look at now is Euro USD, EUR USD. Okay, cool. So EUR USD is looking promising. It is actually promising. Okay, there's something I'm not seeing correctly here. I think this should have been a candlestick. It is a candlestick, but yeah. So let's see where it's ending. Okay, cool. Because I can't see this candlestick, then I can't determine, I can't say anything at the moment. Yeah, I can't say anything at the moment. So we move to the better charts. I think BTC, USD. So BTC USD. I don't know why people are calling me BTC USD. I think this is a very beautiful chart at the moment, right? So according to BTC USD, what we've been seeing, which is Bitcoin, right? I know that I've got long position, meaning I'm taking some longs here. I'm going long on Bitcoin for the next couple of days or months or anything, but I'm taking that on an investment crypto account and also on my investment platform, which is Easy Equities, right? I'm taking long positions and I just keep on adding. Cool. So currently, what I'm thinking is, because market has cleared some very beautiful areas here. So what I'm thinking is that at the moment, the market is just ranging here, right? Let me just show you. The market is just ranging between these two levels, and which is good. Market is ranging between these two levels and then coming back down to probably these areas. Just mark these areas over here. This is market ranging, and then what I'm thinking is probably the market is going to start going down from here to reach this area over here, to reach this low. But I'm not happy. I'm not quite confident with selling. But let's see. Selling Bitcoin. So just went down to a 4-hour time frame, and I see there's some beautiful areas here. Let's see if we can find a Fibonacci retracement tool, and then use it like this. Okay, we are at the 61.8 currently, and this is a very beautiful level, which is 61.8. But I believe there is, since the market is above the 61.8 at the moment, we are looking at the 78.6 or close to the 78.6 in terms of selling over here, right? We've already seen a pin bar. So this is for those who love trading crypto, right? A sell on this area with a stop loss above this area. Let me just show you. So taking a short position here where we are, and then looking to take profit at least here or here, right? Here or here. So let me gonna look at this one for now. And then our stop loss, the decrease, it's now here, it's not pips, it is a number of pips, hundreds and hundreds of pips. So it's quite risky. Okay, cool. So this is BTC-USD. This is my forecast at the moment. This is my focus at the moment on BTC-USD. If there's anything I don't understand at the moment, I stand to be corrected. I believe our take profit should be around here. And entry here, and then our stop loss closer. Okay, cool. This is beautiful. At the moment, I don't think I'm going to sell this trade. So it's Euro GBP that we looked at NZD-USD. It is also what is this? It is GBP-USD, Euro-USD, NZD-USD, and Bitcoin. So this is what I'm currently thinking on Bitcoin. There is also other trades and things that we are looking at. I'm still in the market. I am checking what's going on in the market. Let's be patient. Let us trade the market. I hope we're gonna have an opportunity today and see if we can trade it, and have some confirmations. Thank you so much, guys, for coming through. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawal.